How's it going, everybody? Let's talk about reactivity in Svelte. So this is a big reason why people love Svelte. And this is going to be changing a bit in Svelte 5, but this is going to still be super useful going forward. So as you see, I'm in a Svelte file. I'm going to make a simple script tag, and I'm going to initialize variable counter to 0. All right. Now, really quickly before we continue, if you need any TypeScript support, just type lang and then TS, and then you're all set. All right. So if you need any TypeScript at all, that's all you have to do. Now, these examples are just super basic, and we're not going to be using any TypeScript, but just know that you have that available. All right. Awesome. So now that we have this simple variable counter, let's go ahead and just get it on the screen. So I'm just going to go ahead and type counter, and then I'm going to use curly brackets to render it. Okay. As you see, there it is. If this was 10 and I save the file, that's reflected. Okay. Awesome. No problem there. Now, what we're also going to do is we're going to just create a button so we can increment this and we can see it update live on the screen. I'm just going to type click me. Awesome. Let's go ahead and give it some quick styles. So maybe P2, MY2, maybe BG green 200 and rounded XL. Okay, that's good enough for this example. All right. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to add an on-click handler. Okay, there we are. And let's type on-click. And first, what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to pass in an arrow function. And I am just going to do counter plus plus. Let me go ahead and save that. And as you see, we're clicking and it's being updated in real time here. Super nice. We're not carrying around any functions or anything like that. We're literally just reassigning the variable and we're all set. Now, if I wanted to extract this out into a function, maybe we call this function increment, I can just go ahead and put this here and we are all set. All right. Oops. There we go. Counter plus plus. Okay. And you're going to see the same thing here. So you have an option of adding an arrow function, or you can just kind of create your own function here and then just reference it. So that is a really quick example of why people love Svelte, why I love Svelte. There are going to be some changes in Svelte 5, but those changes are absolutely loved by the community, and it seems like a really good natural progression of Svelte. So I like it. I think you're going to like it, and I will see you in the next one.